Kaymaan. Ay. Visit Kazi where snitching is a hobby. If life is a movie, you watch me, I do me. Kaymaan, I'm the man who beats a fisherman. Just give me the hook and like something is fishy. Niggas so fake, but skin me my China be hand out back, they fucking eat you like sushi. Prison breaking when I skip all these passes. See niggas behind my back just like my honey. But man, them venom me dape me holy. Lala pansi no go tell a story. Back in the street, ki blow make a go. Two piece of dick is the vela les sport. Now I realize life is push your control. Like Velo, bitch, they will smoke you like Gotley. Mr. Rebecca, this verse is a myth. Snap a headshot, now they bust you like lolly. Actions of a teacher on pizza man, yeah. They call me professor, I'm just an engineer. But in this hip hop culture, I'm just a volunteer. I was born alone, no fever, no fear. Or later, I just wanna wipe your falling tear. 6994, when you gave me breath. Even though I went through the shadows of death, you can call me Michael. Life is a crooked breath. Laughing and punga where pressure, but honey just covered the face and no harm at the body. Martin had a dream, I have a vision. Fuck this music thing, I'm here for a reason. Just like missionaries, I'm here with my mission. I don't need cash, at least pay me attention. Better stand firm like a breast of a vision. Cause 4G just pieces connect with the hustle. Freestyle.